What about now? Okay, so I guess I'm live. Dude, I was not sure. I was like, am I live? My YouTube software was kind of funky. Hold on, give me one sec. Okay, so at least I got comments here. The answer was loud and clear, but your mic was off. Okay, perfect. Okay, let me check to see. I guess I selected the wrong. Oh, here we go. That was my mistake, guys. All right, sorry. All right, now we're good. All right, so let's do this again. Hey, happy happy Tuesday morning, guys. Welcome back and welcome to another live trading session. If it's your first time here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to activate the notification because I rarely go on live at the same time. So make sure to activate notification. And as you coming in, make sure to drop a like. Smash that like button, guys. It takes 2 seconds. Say hello in the chat. Tell me where you're from. It's always fun to know. Yeah, man. And for the existing follower, I guess, did I change the date here? Yeah. Welcome back for you. All right, let's get started, guys. This one's going to be a quick one. I'm not going to lie. It's going to be a quick one because I got some early meetings. Yeah. So I do apologize. Okay. So, let's see here. We got Jacob. The intro was loud and clear, but mic was off. Okay, so I guess it's good now. Sound now. Awesome. Germany. Oh, welcome. Germany in the house. Good morning, Sensei. Good morning, Chris. How you doing? All right, guys. Let's jump into it. Unfortunately, we got a loss, man. Damn. I don't know what happened. Sometimes market just do what the hell he wants to do. Even if you have all the confluence in the world, it is what it is. Okay, so let's see here. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, so let's start with GJ. Okay, let's start with GJ, guys. And no time to waste. Let's start with the weekly time frame. Here we go. Boom, boom. We got Emmy. Good morning, Emmy. All right, so let's do this. All right, so if you look at the weekly time frame here on GJ, yeah. Okay, so if you're looking at GJ right now, we're just creating a higher high on the weekly. Let me grab those tools here. Here we go. So we created a new high, so just waiting for price to come down and retest here to continue to the upside. If you're looking to the daily did that kind of retest-ish. We're still bullish here. And the 4-hour ad turned back bullish. So I'm waiting for this pullback now on the 4-hour time frame. Sorry, guys, still a little sick. So we got the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour bullish. After creating that new high, what you guys got to wait is for the pullback at the golden zone right here and look for the lower time frame switch. If you look at a 1 hour is now hold on. So I guess this was bullish from there to there, so it's still bullish, right? Just want to make sure here. So here, I hate when I don't update my lines, so I get lost. So here that was bearish, boom, boom. All right, so we got bullish from there to there. After that, we got bullish from there to there. Perfect. All right, so let's change the color of this. I'm telling you, those lines, I know I'm repeating myself, guys, but man, it helps a lot. You see, my line was not up to date, now I got lost. There we go. Perfect. So we're still bullish here on H1, so we don't need the H1 to flip back bullish. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame here. So 30-minute clearly is bearish now. So here we went bearish after, yeah, so anyways, whatever. Here we created a lower low here. Bam. Not gonna do it for all the elbows, guys. Sometimes I do it just for you guys to understand, but now this morning we gotta rock a little bit faster. All right, cool. So we got 30-minute bearish right now. So we're gonna need the 30-minute to flip back bullish, meaning let's say we want price to do I don't know, something like this, maybe break above here, retest to continue to the upside. Okay. Once 30-minute goes back bullish, this is where we're looking for entries. So GJ, for once, actually GJ looked nice for swing. So it's rare, but finally getting there. Woohoo. Which is my favorite pair for scalping. Let's see here. Chris, doing good. Didn't took any trades since last 2 weeks. It is what, yeah. I mean, the market was not that exciting, but this, like last week and this week, it was setting up so nice and had the perfect opportunity. Um, but didn't play out. We're gonna break it down. Where's my screen? There we go. Okay, let's do NZD USD. This is the lost. Okay, so I'm gonna break it down kind of quickly because, oh yeah, true. Thursday night I'm not here, so let's break it down then. Let's break it down now. Okay, so if you're looking here on NZD USD, we have the weekly bullish, right? So we have the weekly bullish. Price came down, retesting this weekly area of interest, which is also the inside that weekly golden zone, which is also pretty close to this major QP. So yeah, lots in place. I guess the retracement was not done completely yet, but especially after this weekly engulfing candle creating support inside that golden zone, I was like, all right, now we're good. Plus, if you look on the daily now, look at this. It was perfect. Like the daily was bullish. We came down. We passed the golden zone, but we were right at the safety net support form with a nice daily engulfing. I mean, everything was there. Like at this point, when something doesn't play out, I mean, stop beating yourself. It just didn't play out. Just like the 4 hour time frame. Look at this. It was perfect. Like it was like perfect. 4 hour time frame, flip bullish. Wait for the pullback inside that golden zone. Like I wait for every single confirmation perfectly. And this is where someone maybe newer, like after seeing this, be like, shit, I'm just changing strategy. It's not working. And of course it will never work for you because you keep changing strategy and keeping strategy. The reality is like, eight, maybe seven, 8 time out of 10, it's gonna play out if all this in common, not common, but synced. And yeah, I mean, look at this on the lower time frame. Okay, actually, maybe that might be where I kind of got a little too, yeah, now thinking about it, this is where I got a little, how can I say that? Impatient, maybe. Okay, let me show you. So instead of entering on the one, which is actually, nah, you know what? I cannot beat myself for that. Because look at this. Worst case, worst, I would be in at that bullish candle. Okay, but the stop will be way bigger. So that's why I kind of, yeah, you know what? When I woke up and I saw that, I was like, shit, I missed the entry. And after that, I was like, you know what? Let me wait for the pullback of that candle, and I'm gonna enter somewhere in that pullback. And you know what? Worst case, here at 9, we had another nice engulfing candle right here on the 1 hour. So I was like, yeah, it makes sense. So what happened is I went down to the 15-minute to squeeze a better stop loss and a better entry. It's rare. It's rare that I do that if you've been following me for a while, but sometimes I do it. And yeah, so basically 15-minute is bullish from there to there, right? So anything in between. Oh fuck, this is where I fucked up. I think I just realized. Was that? It was. Was it? Oh shoot. Okay, so let's see now if there was a difference. I didn't realize I did too fast. I just realized that here is a high. Ooh, guys, I think I just found my mistake. So here we're bearish, right? So anything in between those 2 points is bearish. Here we're still bearish. Here we're still bearish. And finally here we have a new lower low. Okay, perfect. So here we're bullish. Here we came back bearish. That was my mistake. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna eat that loss in the face. Um, yeah, that makes sense. I should wait, but the 30-minute was still bullish though. Matter of fact, I would be probably in if I was looking at the chart. I would be probably in after that engulfing candle. So no matter what, I would be in, and I will be eating a loss. So it is what it is. This one didn't work. So now, what now? Now, now this trade idea is invalid. At this point. So now we got a lower low. We are now bearish on the 4-hour time frame. So let's see here. Boom. Oops. What's going on here? Oh, charger. What was I doing? Here. There we go. Cool. Okay. So any question about that? Guys, don't forget to smash the goddamn like button. Looks like it's defect right now. Let's see here. Doing good. Didn't okay. It's on NU. I was waiting for price to close above that weekly area of interest. Good. EA cooking up good. My chart. Okay, we'll go check it out for sure. Actually, we're about to jump in EA in two trades in two charts. So we'll go check it out. NC better than NU currently. Yeah, we'll go check it out too. It's on my plan. It's on my watch list. So definitely gonna go check it out, guys. Okay, so yeah, so that's what happened with this one. So all right, so that one is minus 2%, guys. Minus 2%. Oh well, can win every week. But the week is not done yet. I didn't say my last word yet. Plus, I'm going to Paris Wednesday, and usually when I'm away, I know I got the travel luck. I don't know how you want to call it. Okay, so look at this. GN was nice, man. GN was nice. Look at this trend. Boom. Oops. Boom. Coming down inside weekly golden zone, ready to push up. But was not managed to get an entry here. Like right now, just daily daily stayed bullish. 4-hour. Yeah, that's the one we missed last week that we explained on Forex Talk Over Beer like twice. Look at that pullback inside golden zone. I missed it. Okay, so now what about now though? Now we're just creating a new high. So I guess we can wait for pullback here on H4 for continuation. Yeah, look like this weekly candle can hit this resistance. I have a little bit of rejection, which is going to be the 4-hour pullback. Yeah, that would make sense. 4 hour pullback, boom, ready to the upside. That I would be looking for this. If we have a pullback on a 4 hour time frame, I might be very interested in that one. Here we go. Perfect. Yeah, I know, man. Every fucking time that I travel, there's a fire setups. I know, pissed me off. Um, Crazy. Okay, but this time I'm gonna try to catch it. Fuck it. Um, all right, Eurocad, Eurocad, guys, Eurocad. So Eurocad is bullish on the weekly time frame. So same thing, we got a pullback at this weekly area of interest, which is also major QP, golden zone, basically everything we need and ready to push up. Okay, so now let's take a look at the daily. We already grabbed two trades out of that push to the upside, so that's how I like to do it. Just catching, pullbacks and continuation move. I love to do those. So right now we're just looking at possibility for continuation here. If you look, I was ready for continuation here. Like when price came down here and pull back, I was ready for continuation, but instead we flipped back bearish. Now we're flipping back again bullish, so we'll wait. We'll wait. And the reason why we flip back bearish here, which is for having that weekly bottom wick, basically. If you look here, that was a weekly bottom wick coming down, making a formation. So now if you're looking at a 4 hour time frame, let's update those lines. Right now, this kind of, yeah, okay, we just flip bullish now. What am I doing? Okay. So, that looks good. That looks good. So now we can wait for that pullback. What about the 2 hour? 2 hour here, create a high. We're gonna pull back. What about 1 hour? Ooh, 1 hour looks nice here. Okay, okay. Did we just missed it? Let's do this. Here we go. 30-minute. Ooh, nice engulfing right there. Oh, that was a pretty nice. I'm pretty sure that was a nice entry here. I'm gonna mark it down on the chart as a paper trade just to see if that entry would have played out. This is just for learning purposes and journaling. See, like sometimes maybe we don't have to wait like for the exact pullback because we got a wick pullback, right? So sometimes, especially when there's volume in the market, 6 a.m. right here. Oh, that looks good. I'm actually gonna place it here. Stop under that one plus 5 pips, so that means 20 pip stop loss. And TP, we can go for 3, 2, 1. We have enough room. Actually, let's go check the 4 hour. Okay, so we got something here to the left, but let's take a look at the daily. Well, daily is clean traffic all the way up here, so should be fine. The only problem is going to be probably here. Yeah, this area here a little bit. But okay. So this one I'm going to just mark it here so people don't get confused. Don't think that I took that trade. I didn't. Pick a trade. I hate when streamers fake taking trades. It just drive me nuts. So, okay, perfect. There we go. Okay, so let's move on to NZD CAD, and we'll jump into Chris chart. Let me see here. I think we've got a question here. Um, EC having nice weekly area of interest at 1.47, which is also major QP. Is that paper trade at daily higher high? EuroCAD daily higher. I mean, we're past that higher high right now. We broke and closed above the higher high, so now just we're good. There's no elbow here. So now actually here, this is the new high, but it's not a new higher high confirmed because we don't have like, yes, it's a higher high, but doesn't mean that we're going to stop there. Now the most important thing is we did close above that area, you know so that is the most important part. We broke and close above that area, meaning that we're good for continuation at this stage. Yep. But again, I would not be entering this trade if it wasn't for a continuation move. Don't forget, we took one trade here, two trade here, so this is a continuation move. It's not like if I was looking to entering my first trade there, because I would be past where I wanted to start. Now I just got the confirmation that this leg is pushing. Like this is the push. This is the big push here. It's the same thing as someone entering here and holding up to here. I personally prefer to take mini trades in that leg. This is just me, you know. Because I would have to hold for like 1, 2, 3, 4, already 4 weeks. I can do this shit, like like holding for a week for me is already like big, 2 weeks, whoo, crazy, fire, you know. 4 weeks, forget it. I'm dying, you know. Can't, like, 4 weeks, nah. So can you imagine to get up here? That's another like what, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe 10 weeks. Fuck that shit. You know, I prefer grabbing like, let's say from there to there, that would be like a 17 to 1. Okay, a 17 to 1. And if I grab like four, 3 to 1, I'm at 12 to 1. So yeah. So anyways, this is just me, the way I do it and I see it. All right, let's jump into EuroCAD now. EuroCAD. Oh yeah, we just explained EuroCAD. What am I talking about? Entity CAD. Entity CAD. Let's take a look at the weekly. So weekly time frame is, yeah, you got to look at the bigger picture, guys. Look at this. So the weekly time frame is bullish since October 2022. So anything between here and here, just bullish. Anything in between, just market structure. So yeah. Now let's take a look at the daily. Daily, funny, flip back bullish. We had the pullback inside the day golden zone. Beautiful. We got support form, but look like support doesn't give a shit at that moment. Uh, so if you look in the 4-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame now is bearish. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna change our alert. We're gonna place the alert right here. So basically waiting for 4-hour to go back bullish. Just if 4-hour can close above here, retest, continue the upside, that will be the play. So plain and simple. Entity CAD looked nice, but gotta wait for this. So let me go check Chris chart. Let me go check Chris chart. Copy link. There we go. Where's your chart, Krish? Right here. Here we go. So we got Krish chart right here. This is Euro AUD. Oh, Euro AUD. Weekly bullish, daily bullish, 4-hour bullish. We got the pullback here inside that day golden zone. Okay, okay, okay. Area of interest right here. Waiting for daily to close above second area of interest or retest below area of interest. Okay, I like it. I like it. Euro AUD. Let's go check it out. Euro AUD right here. Okay, let's go check it out. Let's update that chart altogether. Okay, so looking at the weekly. Oops. Looking at the weekly, we're bullish since January 23. What? A year. Wow. Jesus. More than a year. Wow. Okay. So now looking at the daily. Daily. Okay, so now I guess we're gonna remove this here. Weekly area of interest come down here. Ready to push back. Yeah, this played out pretty much as what we expected. Basically, when I draw this at first, which was a year ago, was waiting for this price pullback right here to push back up. A year ago, we traced those line and still respecting it. That's amazing. So now let's go check out the daily. The daily went bearish here. We got all right. So price went bearish. We got the infamous double bottom push back. Actually, let me delete this. So from here to here, we're bullish. From there to there, actually, from there to there, actually, not even. From here to here, we finally push back bullish. Okay. So price came down. So we created a higher high. Price came down, retest previous structure that was broken, ready to push up. We got a nice daily engulfing candle. This is beautiful. If you do the fib, I'm pretty sure we're going to be in that golden zone. Look at this. Boom. Rejection of that golden zone. All right. 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame was bullish from here to here. We got the pullback. Yeah, the best entry was somewhere around here. But now we missed it. Can we have continuation move? Let's take a look. Daily, bullish, weekly, bullish, 4 hour bullish. Yeah, at this stage, gotta wait. Gotta wait for that pullback also. Yeah. And we cannot use the fib yet because we don't have a bearish candle. But yeah, that would make sense. Okay, let's check out NZD CAD. We talked about it. Let's do AUD GPY. And if you guys have any pair, let me know that you want to look at. Again, we're gonna do this quick. What time is it? 8:01. Okay, we're still in time. My Euro AUD is good. So yeah. Good morning, Sasha. I hope you and your family is doing well. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you. Wish you the same. Weekly time frame. Man, I should do my steps right now. What's going on with me? Lazy ass. God damn. Wait a second. Gotta wait this fat ass. Step up. Boom. Give me 1 second, guys. Let's put the shoes on. Yeah, man, sometimes I get in my zone and I forgot. Man, need to get those steps in. Right? All right. Look like. Okay, we're good. We're good, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start this shit up. Ooh. That is making a funky noise. making a funky noise. Okay. Look like something is jammed in that walking pad. Anyways, okay, so forget about that. Maybe if I start again. Sorry, guys. I was not planning on. Oh, let's just hope that this thing is getting fixed. It's a funky noise, right? Oh, it's slowly. All right, cool. All right, we're good. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, let's do it. You see, it's better than sitting down, dude. Wow. Okay, so let's do this, guys. Okay, AUDGPY. We're looking at the weekly time frame. We have a high here. We come down to pull back here. We're gonna look. This is a daily area of interest. Let's take a look on the daily. Right here, we have a nice daily engulfing. Did we respect the safety net? Woohoo! We're set up support right at that safety net, right at this daily area of interest. Okay, okay. So weekly daily good, 4 hour. Now that's the only thing we're missing is the 4 hour to go back bullish. So the best scenario here would be for price to come under here, creating a new, a new lower low, something like this, come back up, retest, continue the upside. That would be the best. um, but yeah, so we gotta wait for ADGPY. ADCAD, ADCAD. Do we have anything else? ADCAD, ADCAD is, yeah, ADCAD looks nice. Also, we had ADCAD going bearish, come up here at this daily area of interest, which is also major QP rejection. What about the fib? Right here. We rejected the 382 here, which is also another rejection zone. I prefer the golden zone, but still, this is a decent retracement. And again, people ask me about the fib, but the fib is just, again, this is just a tool to evaluate if the retracement's been done or not, mostly, or where it might go, Now, if you're looking at the daily time frame is bearish. We have the pullback. Okay. Now let's take a look at the 4 hour. Okay. So 4 hour just created a new lower low now. But my main thing was I wanted to be under this area. So this is perfect, actually. So now, what are we waiting? I mean, I don't know about you guys, but here is what I'm going to be waiting for. So that's going to be H4 golden zone. Guys, you have to remember me to start my walking pad earlier. Man, what's up with that? I thought you guys had my back or something. So, all right. So now I'm just going to be waiting for this. All right, let's recap. We got a weekly bearish. We had the pullback already. We have the daily bearish. We have the pullback already. Because don't forget, here we were bearish, here bearish, and here we finally went bullish, right? Here, and now here we're bullish. And once we close under here, we're bearish. Wait for the pullback to continue to the downside, right? And look at this. Once again, I'm trying to zoom in here. Look at this. Respected that safety net on the dot. Damn. Okay. So I think, yeah, this gonna be looking nice. I'm gonna place an alert. All right, that's good. Euro AUD, we talked about it with Krish. ADGPY. Okay, so entity CAD, we did it. Yeah, I think we're good. The GOAT! Ça va bien, toi? Ça va super bien, mon ami. Good morning, Sasha. I hope you and your... Oh, yeah, we answer that. Smash that elbow on the like button, guys. Boom. Love it. Yeah, smash that like button, guys. I'm Yugi. Like the streams, guys. Thank you, man. Thank you for the support. Really appreciate it. I'm doing this to help you guys. Trading view tip. If you accidentally select any tool, example, fib or trend line, and you don't want to use it, just right click and it's gone. No need to use and delete it. Oh, man, I love Chris. Chris is my trading view mentor. Yeah, I'm old, guys. I am 42. I'm not technical with those computer stuff. Already for me, streaming is a huge challenge. Whew, you have no idea. So, anyways, all right. Which other pair, guys? We're looking at which other pairs we got. Okay, so let's recap here. So we got GJ that we're waiting for that pullback right here, which is kind of setting up right now. We got entity USD that fucked us up, which is good, so now gotta wait. So I'm gonna move this down here because now we need to wait for PAR to go back bullish. So this is not ready anymore. So let's do it blue. There we go. All right, so we got GN also. What's up with GN? GN creating a new higher high right now. Yeah, right now we need to wait for that pullback on the 4R. But I cannot use my fib. The 4R is not closed yet. EuroCAD, this is a paper trade. But obviously I'm going to wait for consideration move here. I'm going to wait for the pullback here on the 4-hour time frame once again. So those two are pretty equal, GN and EuroCAD. Entity CAD, yeah, got to wait for the 4-hour to go back bullish. Place an alert. ADGPY, what are we waiting on ADGPY? ADGPY, that's the one we just discussed, no? So here, we got the daily bullish, this area of interest. We got the weekly, yeah, okay, so the 4-hour needs to go. Let's place a note so I don't have to do this again. Need H4 to go bullish. Okay, perfect. All right, so I'm gonna place that one blue too. This we discuss. This is actually better than this, and this is probably equivalent. All right, so now let's see if there's any other pairs you guys want to take a look at. GC looking good for buys. 2 time frame in sync. GC for buys and CG for sell. Okay, let's take a look. GC, which is GPP CAD, right here. Let's start with that one. Let's start with that one. All right. Jeez. Okay. So GC's been bearish for a little while here. We are coming up here to break that resistance to become bullish. We have the daily bullish. At a higher high. Got the weekly. I know the weekly, what am I saying? The 4 hour. So 4 hour did flip bullish. Oops. Okay, so we got a 4 hour bullish, we got a daily bullish, we got the weekly bearish. And there's a huge chance when price gonna be hitting this level right here, there might be some friction. you know, it might pull back right here. So that's where I'm gonna wait, to take it up to the upside. Um, so yeah, GCAD, I'm not a huge fan right now. Um, Especially that both are, at higher high. Um, the daily, the 4 hour. Not saying it cannot go further, but so far, I mean, I don't know. Plus, we're getting into that daily resistance right here. So not a huge fan, to be honest. Um, let's see the other one. CJ for cells. All right, let's go check. Cat GPY. Man, I'm starting to have some allergies. Man, it gets warm quick in that office. Okay. So weekly. All right, let's start with the weekly here. Cat GPY. So if you're looking at Cat GPY, we are bullish. Um, but if you're looking at the weekly, can you understand that right now this is the first area, because this is let me just switch time frame for 1 second. This is a daily area of interest, okay, which is also actually now data is bearish. Oh, you want to sell? Okay. So you want to sell, but you gotta understand that this is gonna have to be a day trade, because the weekly is bullish, and yes, we understand that based on this, we can technically sell at least to here, where this is a 382 level, which is another rejection level, which is also TP, final TP can be somewhere at this golden zone area, where we know that there's a big chance for price to start pushing back to the upside from there. So yes, it is a plan. It is a plan for people that has a little bit more experience, and know what they're doing, because counter trend trade is riskier. Now, if you look at this, let me remove the fib so it's not confusing here. There we go. So now if you're looking at this, daily turned bearish. So let me update this. There we go. Daily turned bearish, but at the same time, this is the pullback to come retest this daily golden zone. So we don't know now from there, are we going to reject? We already had a wick rejection, form support. So I don't know. What about the 4 hour now? So 4 hour. Four is bearish. Yeah, not a huge fan, especially that we are right here at this area. For me, it's a big problem if I want to short. If I want to short, I want to be under this area, you know. Um, yeah, definitely, because this is a pretty strong major QP, as you can see. This we'll put major QP, bam. So, yeah, I would definitely want price to close under at major QP, come up, retest, and continue to the upside to the downside. That was if I was looking for short. Um, yeah, definitely gonna wait that because I don't like this area at all to short here. Too many chances that you get rejected. So yeah, yeah. I never take two time frame. Only take trade two time frame. This was just for learning purposes, and I wanted to share my views. Yeah, man, totally. It's the best way to do it, Krish. Best way to learn. If DX trade taking these sales, fuck that. What? I don't know who's that. If DX trade was working, DX trades, DX trades. What do you mean DX trade? Oh, you mean DX trade? No, hold on, wait a second. What is DX trades? I have no clue what you're talking about, dude. Can you tell that I'm the most simplest guy ever? Like I don't know even acronyms. Been trading for like 6 years. Um, DX trade bro platform got switched from MT5. Oh no, I'm still on MT4. No clue. I don't even know DX trade. I don't know the DX trade platform. No clue what it is. Um, yeah, I'm still with MT4 on the black bull market for one of my account, which is my smallest one. My biggest account is another broker I don't want to promote because he's fucking bullshit. Shittiest customer service ever. But the problem is, once I withdraw that larger account, I'm gonna get taxes. And as right now, um, I cannot have more incomes. So because I'm gonna get fucked on taxes. So I prefer to let it sit there. Um, and yeah, I still trade it, but I don't want to withdraw it. Um, but yeah, Black Bull is still MT4. On the other one, I'm still MT4 also. I don't know. I hope they don't change because I'm gonna get lost. You know, I'm gonna be like, oh fuck, I gotta learn a platform. For me, it's a huge challenge. Personally, yeah, I'm not good at two time frame. I would better stick at three time frame, in which I have my edge is high probability. Yeah, but again, I don't hate the two time frame in sync for a day trade, but you gotta know what you're doing. You know, um, BTC and Sol almost at almost all time high, made almost 10x on Pepin. Like, yeah, man, Crown is good. Crown is having healthy pullback, which is perfect. And Solana is like, whew, sheesh. Solana is at 132, baby. This is exciting. This is exciting. Look at where I bought it. All those yellow lines. Yep. Pretty excited. Pretty excited. So basically for 10 Solana, right now 10 Solana is worth 1 Solana basically. Like when I bought it back then. Because I bought it around like $12. So yep. Any other pairs, guys? What time is it? Yeah, we're gonna have to go. Are you in when? No, I sold it. Sold it to buy Crown, way better. It's more stable, took profits on Wen, took profits on Jupe, took that money, bought some Crown. Crown is the shit. Like, of course, no financial advice. Do your own research, guys. But yeah, you definitely got it. If you're into coins, look at Crown. It's a real token that used for real game, has real value. Not a meme coin that's just pump and dump. That one is very solid. It's been in place for more than a year. Um, so yeah, very very solid. Bought some, got some around like 23 cents in September, and we reached all time high of $2 a couple weeks ago. So now we're having a pullback at 160, I think, which is decent. And yeah, that's about it. All right, any other question, guys? Let's see. Currently, meme sector is flying, but will come down, and next would be gaming and AI sector after me. Yeah, that's why with photo finish, guys, if you didn't look at this game yet, again, I know I'm being pain in the butt with it, but man, you gotta check it out. This shit is printing money, like no joke. This is the Soul Dogs stable. It's an NFT project, so basically, you can be part of that project and be part or owner of that stable. I also have my own stable, obviously. This one's a smaller one. Um, but yeah, man, it's so nice. Like there's a marketplace where you can resell horses, breed them. You got the breeding barn. You choose your stud. Man, I'm telling you, this game is so addictive, and so good in money. Like, um, yeah. Look at this horse. Can I go to my? Let me open up a window here. I'll show you something. Um, oops. By the way, guys, if you're looking to get started on photo finish, I guess use this code right here. I'm gonna put it in chat. Referral code if you want to get started. Um, Look at this horse. My guy right here, Drizzle Duke. That horse didn't cost me nothing because it was coming from a breeding I did from a mare and a stud. So that horse literally didn't cost me anything. Made me over 252,000, like 253,000 derby. So one derby, I mean, $1 equal 80 derbies. So basically, this horse didn't cost me nothing. Divided by 80 made me 3,000, 3,162 and 50 cents USD. Like, honestly, and let me tell you, this is way easier than trading. And again, no financial advice, do your own research kind of thing, but this shit is so addictive. So be careful. Be careful, but it's fun though. It's really fun. Okay, let's get back into it. Where is it? Here we go. Perfect. Okay. Here we go. In India, paid race is banned. Yeah, you can use a VPN. Yeah, you can use a VPN, and that works. A lot of people use a VPN. Derby is also a crypto. Derby is the inside game token, so it's not a crypto. It's just like the Derby always stay the same. So it's 80 Derby equal $1. So there's no fluctuation. The Derby is really the in-game token. Paid race is banned. Yeah, use the VPN. Okay, guys. Thank you for your time, Sensei. And yes, we'll try. Yeah, try the VPN. It works. Like we got people from all over the place, from different places that's banned, and they're still racing. So should be able. All right, guys. So again, thank you so much for joining. We're gonna be live again. I don't know because I'm leaving Wednesday for Paris, so depending on schedule, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do Thursday night. But make sure to tune in on my Instagram, and I will let you know. I'm gonna give you the update on Instagram, guys. So once again, thank you so much for tuning in, and hopefully we see each other on Thursday night. Take care, guys. Have a great day.